We are pleased to introduce the Children's Education Channel, Funny Learning. Let's go.
In the third episode, we're going to study the letters G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Repeat behind the letters out loud, and now I'll leave you with the letters.
G, 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 G. Tell me 3 things that start with the letter G.
Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Guitar, guitar, guitar. Grape, grape, grape.
New letter will appear. Its name is H. 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 Tell me 3 things that start with the letter H.
honey, honey, honey. Horse, horse, horse.
Hat. 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 New letter will appear. Its name is I. 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 Tell me 3 things that start with the letter I. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Iguana, iguana, iguana. Iron, iron, iron.
New letter will appear. Its name is J. 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 Tell me 3 things that start with the letter J. Jam. 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 Jeans. Jeans. Jeans.
Jaguar, jaguar, jaguar.
New letter will appear. Its name is K. 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 Tell me 3 things that start with the letter K.
Key, key, key. Kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo.
Kiwi. 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 New letter will appear. Its name is L. 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 Tell me 3 things that start with the letter L. Lamb. Lamb. Lamb.
Lemon. 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 Lion. Lion. Lion.
New letter will appear. Its name is M. 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 Tell me 3 things that start with the letter M.
Melon. 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 Mirror. Mirror. Mirror.
Mouse. Mouse. Mouse.
The set of letters for this episode is over. Now, it's time to sing. Please subscribe to our channel to get new videos by in the upcoming episodes.